on this. In fact, now it's time to shift our focus with the latest updates coming in. Now, the Business Advisory Committee is going to hold a meeting that will be held at the Parliament House today at 12:30 p.m. that we are learning. Along with that, the working of the houses will also be discussed, and Harivansh Narayan Singh, the Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha, will be taking the meeting in place of the former Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar. And the date and the time for bringing the impeachment motion against Justice Verma will also be decided. Mehndi Garg, my colleague, joins me for the latest details. Mehndi, as the day 3rd of the monsoon session, Parliament commences in just few hours. What are you looking forward, as ruckus on the day 2 has been reported in there has been issues which have been raised, as Parliament session for the 3rd day is going to also focus on Operation Sindoor, and largely also, in fact, PM's visit on to UK and Maldives as well.
Well, indeed, Simran, today is the 3rd day of monsoon session of the Parliament, and we all saw the last 2 days were completely filled with scuffle and ruckus between the opposition and the government. But today's important, development in the monsoon session is that Business Advisory Committee meeting will be held at Parliament House at 12:30 a.m. today, and also, working of the houses will be discussed in the Parliament. But in the view of the last 2 days, the first 2 days, we can say, of the monsoon session was completely filled with ruckus, and there was no, we can say, productive discussion that happened over the issues that were risen by the opposition. So today also, it will be interesting to see that how this 3rd day went, because Harivansh will be taking the meeting in place of Jagdeep Dhankar, because Jagdeep Dhankar has resigned from his post of Vice President of India. And if we talk about the today's topic of discussions, then it is expected, Simran, that Operation Sindoor will be discussed in both the houses of the Parliament next week, because opposition is very adamant on discussing the Operation Sindoor, and also Donald Trump's statements over the ceasefire as well. So opposition is taking up this matter again and again, and the date and the time for bringing the impeachment motion against Justice Verma will also be decided today. So we can say that today the main topic of discussion will be the impeachment motion against Justice Verma in the Parliament session that will be discussed. And apart from that, the Business Advisory Committee meeting that is scheduled for 12:30 a.m. Today is also very important. Yes, Simran.
All right, Mehndi, thank you very much for the latest updates. Now, as what we are learning further, that it is likely the opposition